Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back once again to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works, that super secret research and development division of Dr. Jet Laboratories, where we sit around all day and we invent things and we make stuff. Yesterday, I was talking about how I was going to do my water pickup, and one of my viewers didn't fully understand what I was trying to convey, so I will try to make myself more clear today. Now you can see the finished product and know what I was talking about. He thought I was talking about moving this pickup back behind the step, and that's not at all what I had in mind. So I have my water pickup installed, and I installed it on the right-hand side, so as it's going around a right-hand turn, it's always going to be in the water. And so here's what I did. I made a sleeve. I took a piece of brass tubing, a piece of carbon fiber tubing that my drill would fit inside. And then what I did is I laid that down along the shape of the bottom of the hull to where it would come out, and that way I could drill it and not drill my coupler protector, but I could get this down in the crotch of the motor mount and the bottom of the hull. And so I want this as far back as I can, but this whole area here, you can see is all filled with it's probably filled with Cabasol, because when you're making a mold like this and you're putting down fiberglass, it doesn't like to conform to these sharp angles. So these guys they'll first spray the gel coat in the mold, and then they'll come along with a mixture of Cabasol or micro balloons or something and fill up all the really sharp corners so that the cloth can lay down there and conform to it. So this, if I were to drill or cut through here, it's probably pretty solid for quite a ways. So this drill just followed the edge of the floor here, and you can see what I did. Now, part of the thinking is I got to have room to get this isn't it, but you'll understand, I got to have room to get my tool in here. So this needed to be out of the way. And I made it kind of long so I could do the return loop and not have tight bends in the cooling hoses that could I don't have one here, kink on you. So by putting the bend in a piece of metal, it's not going to kink. So there's my Gazinta. Today's project is I'm going to solder bullet connectors and battery connectors onto my speed control and eventually mount it. And I think my plan is I'll put Velcro on this side, Velcro up here in this wall that goes over at an angle like this. And so I can get this up and in here quite a distance. So the gazouta from the motor will have to go around and into here unless I put a U-turn. Maybe I should put a U-turn on this one. I'll have to think about that. That could be a cool idea, though, just a U-turn, and then a hose. And my thinking for the gazouta is I might just come in here with a really long drill and drill right through right there. That would be kind of like this side of the motor mount, coming out right here, and the pipe would just run a little short distance, and then I could put tubing on it. But I'm seriously thinking about doing my exit hole right here. And then the whole plumbing for everything will be all up forward and nothing back here. So what do you think of that, boys and girls? I'm going to do some soldering today. There you go. Let's keep it short and sweet. Until next time, boys and girls. Jet out.